Ain't nobody got 3 hours and $100 to spend at the salon once a week. I've been wearing my nails long for over 10 years now. I've gone through plenty of different products, plenty of different methods, but right now at 33, this is my tried and true. I love these gel extension nails with this glue. I always write the numbers of the sizes of my nails on the inside of the box and then the corresponding little boxes so that I can easily grab the nails that I need. I love this nail glue for a few reasons. One is that it paints on like nail polish. Number two is that it's really strong. It actually, it does last a long time. And number three, it actually doesn't dry. It doesn't seem to dry out my nails or hurt my nail beds as much as other glues do. It seems to do the job of actually strengthening, or at least at the very least not hurting my nails. Normally with acrylic nails and normal glue, over time I have super dry nails to the point that they're splitting and I can't even use nails for a little while, but I've never had that problem with this glue and these nails. So that's why I've been using these a lot. God, I remember when I used to go to the salon, if you break a nail, it's like the end of the world because you have to make a new appointment and then you got to wait for that appointment, then you got to get to that appointment, sit through that appointment, pay for that appointment. And now when I lose a nail, I just go grab another one from the box. I got to be totally honest with you guys. I have a broken rib right now, so I'm just feeling a little bit low energy, a little bit in pain, but the show must go on. What I like about these nails is that they're nice and thin. Like they're a little more natural, if you know what I mean. Like they go nicely flush against the cuticle. In reality, they're not as hard as acrylics. And for me, that's a positive because I'm going to bang into things no matter what. And when I wear really hard acrylics and I bang into something, it hurts because it can pull my nail away from my nail bed. But with these, when I bang the same way, it'll just kind of snap off and it won't actually hurt my finger or my nail or anything like that. And if you do lose a nail and you have to replace another one, it's just this pack is enormous. It's got like over, what is it, 552 pieces. So you're good for a while. I've had this same pack for a while now and I've had nails consistently and I'm not even going low. Oh, by the way, you don't have to be good at doing your nails. Like, no one's good at painting their own nails at first. And if you get some on your skin, it just doesn't matter. Like, when you're just walking around, like, no one's looking that close. And I'd rather at least have something going on than wait to go to the salon to get them perfectly painted. They're looking pretty good. Just got a top coat left. Ain't nobody got 3 hours and $100 to spend at the salon once a week. F out of here. And just like that, my nails are done and ready to go. Thanks to my nail extensions and my glue, both from Amazon. It was easy, it was inexpensive. I feel good, I feel cute. So, yeah, these are the products that I recommend.